Are you looking for a quick and engaging way to connect with your remote learners? Need an easy-to-use tool to deliver important content and assessments in bite-sized formats on any device? Or perhaps you would like to send out a quick contest and track results via a real-time leaderboard. If this describes you, then Spark is your answer. This quick video will help you navigate C3's Spark software and discover how you may use it for pre- and post-assessments, along with powerful knowledge boosts. You will find Spark under the Presto heading. Now open up Spark and start by titling the quiz and selecting Background. This provides a colorful backdrop for your quiz, which you can further customize later if you so choose. Next, click on the blue Content button to start adding questions. When clicking on the Add Content button, you'll notice that there are 4 options. Question, which allows you to create a multiple choice question with up to 9 answer possibilities. Slide, which can be used for content delivery including both text and/or media files. Open-ended, providing the ability to create a question with fill-in-the-blank answers. Image marker offers a question that requires the user to click on a section of an image for that answer. You'll notice on the right side of the main content screen, there is a question library feature. Use this space to drag and drop existing questions from any game or quiz format. This is an excellent way to reuse your content and quickly create a quiz in the future. For this tutorial, let's select multiple choice question type. You'll notice that in addition to basic text answers, you may also add images to support your material by clicking the picture icon. Add more answer choices by clicking below. Next, let's go to the Settings button where you may tweak your question, such as changing your question as a poll, no wrong answer, or select all that apply if there is more than one correct answer. You'll also notice that you may give individual feedback for various answer choices. Click the OK button at the top or bottom to get back to the main screen. The software will autosave your work. Spark enables you to easily create a polished presentation around your own theme or brand. For example, let's replace this standard blue background we selected at the very start with a different image. Click on the image box below and bring in one of the many other options, or choose your own background. Now let's make sure that the text stands out clearly over the image by changing the darkness or opacity. We'll change the opacity to 40%. Note, as you make changes, you may preview what the participants will see by clicking refresh as well as device type. When it's time to deliver your Spark quiz, you have 2 options. Click the Publish button, where you may share your quiz link by copying the top link. You can then email your quiz or copy it to an internet site. The second option is to use your own LMS by selecting the SCORM button. To track detailed performance data and ensure participant identity, choose Sign In Required. Choose No Sign In when you just need a final score with a self-reported name, or simply make it anonymous. Of course, when using your own LMS, the only sign-in required is that of your own system. I hope that our quick tutorial has sparked some ideas about how you can deliver your content in the most engaging way. If you need any additional assistance, don't hesitate to contact us at 888-333-1969 or info@c3softworks.com.